Welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at the 3M Novec Thermal Fluid Discontinuation. In 2022, the 3M company announced that they are discontinuing all Novec fluids by the end of 2025. And now let's join Mike Bangasser, President of Best Technology, in the webinar Understanding 3M Novec Thermal Fluid Discontinuation.
We talked about today the awareness and supply chain risks that exists, and that there's no EPA regulations on using or safety issues of using the Novec or similar fluids. While the end of the phase out is supposed to be the end of 2025, the latest rumblings we're getting from 3M is Q1 2025 is last orders, and last production runs Q2 to Q3 2025. And some fluids have already been discontinued or have notices that have been sent out for discontinuation dates. Our three goals that we had for transitioning our customers away from Novec, knowing it has to happen. We want to eliminate the supply chain risk. We know when 3M shuts this production down, there's going to be a very good chance that people are going to be scrambling for supply. We've been able to secure multiple supply chains for our fluids. We have reduced manufacturing costs by 50% plus, and the ease of validation should be very, very easy because they're very similar, if not exact characteristics to the fluids that our customers are currently using. So with the cleaning fluids, we have an exact full lineup. Again, your 72DA, 73DE, 71 IPA, etc., as well as the drop-in replacements of alpha through theta, which have been really, really popular. And now we're able to roll out the exact molecule lineup for our thermal fluids of 7100, 2, 3, 500, as well as the fluoro ketone line from 3M on the 649, 1230, and 612. So we also talked about 7500 coming out and 3283, as well as the new HFO or HCFO. That does meet as a non-PFAS for the Minnesota, Maine requirements, and some other states they're kind of leapfrogging the EPA on regulations. I really feel that it should be more of a national end on regulation of chemicals than each state, but some states are taking more aggressive action. We're also seeing these states back off on the action that they are taking. Minnesota, especially Maine, but Minnesota is looking in that same light. So while they thought they were aggressive when they announced it, they're realizing the difficulty and the economic impact it's going to cause, and they're backing down a little bit. But for us, we said the most strict definition we'd love to meet and beat, and we do with our Omega, Victor, and Zeta.
Thanks, Mike, for those insights into 3M Novec Thermal Fluid Discontinuation. For the latest news on the 3M Novec phase-out, visit the Best Technology website. Contact an applications expert at Best Technology to learn how you can start your transition to a 3M Novec replacement today.